This is for emergency when the fire is stuck in the filter. This pillar is the boundary of the Ahsa International Airport. I joined with my colleague with the team of the Airfield Lighting Engineers and climb the mountain and see the beautiful scenery of the desert and mountains around the vicinity of the airport boundary. Now they open the gate so they can open the panel and check inside the battery. After checking the battery with the multimeter, the power output, now open the panel and check the status of the batteries, and they have to clean it because too much sand inside. After I see the procedure of the maintenance of the airfield lighting, now it's time for me for my adventure and see the surrounding of Ahsa desert and mountains. Come and join with me and see the beautiful places around. There was a groups of dogs from far away, and they are growling with us when they see people from far away. We are on the way now on the number 2 station for the Airfield station. From far away, I see again another rock formation. This is a camel farm. Ay, dito tayo sa gitna ng disyerto. I am walking now to get near in the rock formation so I can see the beautiful formation of the rocks. I climb the rock formation so I can go on the top and see all the area surrounding and see the beautiful scenery around Ahsa desert and mountains. Like in the desert. A group of camels just passing by the desert. Another rock formation that I will climb. Thanks for watching from Mr. Cool Capturing Memories.